Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply green screen to your videos in CapCut PC. So I'll just go to the green screen tab here, and I'm just going to find a green screen that I want to overlay, for instance this one. And I'll also add in like a quick background here. Wow, that's super short, whatever. I'm just going to speed this up a little. So go to video, go to remove background, go to chroma key, select the color picker, and select the green area of the green screen. You will have to select the blue area if it is a blue screen. You can adjust the intensity here and add in a little bit of shadow. And that's pretty much how you can overlay green screen in CapCut PC. Maybe like I'll add in a better green screen. I don't know, it's the same thing essentially though. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.